आवाज कम करो इसके।
मैंने ज़रा
बोला hello guys
Welcome back to the
aunties
we have Sendri.
and Preeti here.
First of all, guys, we are so sorry. Last time we had some issues with our audios, and I know like you guys were waiting for our video,
I
but
know.
like we had issues with like the audios. We really want to apologize, but thank you so much for like the million subscribers, guys.
Yes, we really appreciate your enthusiastic response to our videos. I hope we can keep uploading through our busy schedules. You know, it's not easy being CEOs, but we will do our best for
Being
you.
CEOs, entrepreneurs, YouTube influencers, bad boy, alpha, werewolf, sigma, billionaire. It's not easy.
Half.
Hybrid.
Yes, hybrid.
Okay, so Preeti is going to be playing Selendrina the Forest, and we're going to be singing song covers. Sad, sad.
Yes, so we have
We're going to start with Little Do You Know. Little do you know how I'm breaking while you fall asleep. Little do you know.
I'm still haunted by the memory.
Little do you know.
I'm trying to
Kill myself piece by piece. Little do you know why. Need a little more time. Underneath the doll, I'm held captive by the holding tide. I've been holding back. Oh, the fear that you might change your mind. I'm ready to forgive you, but forgetting is a harder fight. Little do you know, I need a little more time. Come on.
I'll wait, I'll wait. I love you like I've never felt the pain. I'll wait. I love you like I've never been afraid. I'll wait. Love is here and here to stay, so lay your head on me.
Wow, Preeti did such a good job, y'all.
Yes, so did Century. Like her voice was so angelic, I almost fell asleep.
I swear. Preeti, why are you not turning around?
Because I'm scared.
Come on, Preeti, you just can't like.
I'm not gonna do that.
Come on, Preeti, you have to take a step.
Where is that bitch? Oh no.
I told you to don't deal this. Preeti is a little forgetful, guys. Don't
Just
worry.
a little bit clumsy, teehee.
She's just a sunshine, quirky, not like other girls.
Okay, now on to the next song, Century. Explicit content, parental advice.
Guys, Preeti is a little like silly. Okay,
Anyways,
what was
on
the
to
next song?
Just click it.
मेरी सास की तीन बेटे
हाँ, मेरी सास की 3 बेटे.
मेरी सास के छीन बेटे छीन मजेदार से पतली कमर मेरा नारा जो बेदार से
तागड़ी में
3 घुंघरू 3 मजेदार से
मेरी सास के
3 बेटे 3 मजेदार से
एक कलेक्टर, एक मिनिस्टर, एक सूबेदार से एक
Preeti, you don't have to be scared or level it. Anything happen to you, okay?
Yes, I love you so much, Century.
Me too, me too. Parental advice, explicit content.
Oh my god, what was that?
Okay, what's the next one?
कुत्ता आया.
Yes. Kutta aaya.
No. Teeny,
Teeny, teeny,
Bell.
Kutta aaya.
कुत्ता आया.
Kutta aaya.
मुंह में हड्डी लेकर आया,
कुत्ता आया
मुंह में हड्डी लेकर आया,
भौंका और तुमको हिलाया, बहू 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 बहू
बच्चों ने देखा शोर मचाया,
बहू 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 कुत्ते ने सबको काट के खाया। Oh my God,
गर्ल्स और
तुम ही हो गाते हैं कारी साहब की आवाज में। हाय मैं ताकरे अपनी अब साकते। अबे हम तेरे बिना रह नहीं सकते। हम तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे। एक पल दूर दबा नहीं तेरे लिए आई है मिला मेरा दर्द सब हर लम्हा ना होता है बिना
अंदर जाना,
क्या रे
अंदर जाना है इसके।
Be McGreen, no, he went in there, but I didn't. I'm waiting for her mom to come. I'm a mom, mamacita.
You like the chase?
The books is look.
People Century likes the chase.
Yes, I am Rahul from Dur.
We just watched Dirt, everybody. You should
Yes.
watch it.
It's very good, but you will have to ignore the ending because the ending is dog shit. Sunny Deol is a dumb
I hate Sunny Deol so much.
balon wala banmanas, and he
The
should have died.
Chester is such a disgusting
He
thing.
should have died. I feel
Yes.
like Rahul should have been alive. Okay, everyone should have died. I feel like killing everyone is like the best way
Yes.
to end any movie. Said Preeti, you're not even playing and
But
you're
I get
screaming.
scared.
Preeti, I will never let anything happen. You just trust me. I'm your alpha.
Oh my god, what is happening?
सिलेंड्रीना का पति है, उसके सुहाग का रोशन है वो। यहाँ आएगी उसकी अम्मी मेरा कत्ल गैरत करने दिन के बीच में, सिर्फ क्योंकि मैं एक मुझको नहीं, अबे नहीं पता रे बाबा, छोड़ दे मुझको।
किधर है उसकी मम्मा?
उसकी मम्मा अम्मी जान आ जाना, कितना सताएंगी हमको, सता के।
People, I do not like her mother at all.
Oh my god, we got the key. What did we need the key for? I forgot.
I don't know. Maybe the box. For the box.
Oh, we got these two. Hey! Oh, brava.
She killed us.
No, come on, Newton.
My turn now. I'm Preeti again. I'm Sanchi.
You're pretty.
Yes, I'm Preeti.
You're pretty now because you're so pretty good.
Girl, you're Preeti यार, what the fuck?
ये बुड्ढे क्यों सुकड़ सुकड़ के मर रहे हैं? बुड्ढों guys, if you hate old people, and if you like old people, I hope you become old and you should hate.
Yes, let's do. Such a lovely message.
I
We love.
hate old people because like
They're inseparable, honestly.
honestly, like, what do you mean you're trying to act cute and like a child? Like, oh, you've had your entire fucking life and all you've done is beat your fucking wife and traumatize your children, kill yourself, you dumb piece of shit.
Exactly. I so agree with every sentiment.
Oh my god, guys, actually, so on the sideline, we also make music, right? And why did you do video? I saw that.
You did not see that. You did not see that. You never saw that. Nothing.
So, guys, I'm just going to sing one of my original songs.
Yes.
While Preeti plays.
Santari is a very big superstar, guys. Let me tell you. Please listen to the end.
Which one should I sing?
You should sing your blockbuster super hit one that you also sang in Coachella.
I said one of mine, Coachella, no?
Okay, then the one that got you invited to the White House.
Okay, that was. हजारों साल audio.
Oh my God! Please sing again. I'd love to sing. I'd love to hear your voice again and again.
मैं जीऊँ हजार तुम्हारे चाहे एक साल में
Motherfucker.
मैं
No way.
जीता
Mamma ji.
हजार
Mamma ji.
साल। अबे पहुंच ना
अबे खोते की बच
यार क्यों आ गए नीचे भाग। यहाँ क्या करेगी तू, जानी नीचे। अरे नीचे भाग
मम्मा खोती अच्छा Oh, I thought she just killed the song. I'm so sorry to interrupt your concert. Please continue.
बड़ा मारूम है। Play again on hard. Come on, come
No, I
on.
died on easy.
Wait. Covering it.
There's so much to do. There's so much to do to survive.
Being a CEO, entrepreneur, mafia, billionaire, railroad hybrid bad boy is not easy.
I know,
Okay.
right? I cannot double so many things. Anyways,
बड़ा
continue.
मारूम है, बड़े पे जुल्म है, बड़ा जुल्म सहता है, बड़ा खामोश रहता है। धंधा नहीं कंधा।
Oh my God, that stupid fucking woman is here again.
Which one? Her
There is
mommy?
only one stupid fucking woman that I hate.
You hate every woman, including Danny. So,
I don't hate you.
oh my God,
I like you actually. Marry me.
Johnny, you're speaking in your normal voice.
Oh my God, I totally forgot, guys. That was not me.
Is
That
Selendrina chasing you or her mommy?
Her mommy. I attract mommies.
Yes, guys, she attracted me too.
She's a bad mommy.
Yes,
bad.
I like to beat my children.
No, very bad. I meant a baddie.
Oh, yes, I look hot while beating my children.
She actually does, guys. I'm not kidding. You should look at her. She's so pretty. But don't look at her. I'll gouge your eyes out.
Guys, as you can tell, Preeti is very possessive. Like Kabir Singh has nothing on her. Kabir Singh ने actually प्रीति को देखा और फिर उसने कहा मैं तुम्हारी पर्सनैलिटी कॉपी करूंगा।
Real. Kabir Singh is just a hoe.
जो बात है
I wanna jump.
जब यहाँ पाऊंगा
I put my foot somewhere.
in my mouth.
Yeah.
My throat hurts now. I don't know what to talk about. Guys, tell us your most controversial opinion. I feel like my most controversial opinion that nobody like just agrees with is the fact that we should just kill everyone on this planet.
I swear to God, a mass genocide is the way this whole thing should work. An 80% extermination, like happened in that one series. That's very nice. We cannot say the name of the series because that would be copyrights.
Or that would be like a promotion too. Like unless we get paid by Marvel or
Exactly. So yeah.
But yes, I feel the thing is the earth will get rid of us one way or another. And I really hope it does because we humans are just parasites. I hope that a meteor hits us like it did the dinosaurs and it kills. Do you know that meteors are not what killed the dinosaurs? As JD said, chaos is what killed the dinosaurs.
That killed the dinosaur. That son of a bitch. That. So sorry. That Selendrina girl.
I think Selena is beautiful, don't you agree?
Are you her husband?
No, it's her
How dare you think another woman besides me is beautiful?
Her husband is so ugly.
How dare you think that though?
Where's her mama? Look, it's a childhood picture.
Wow, so cute. I love the statics of the childhood.
You're covering the microphone.
No, I'm not. There, here is the this thing.
Okay.
Oh,
Girl, what are you doing?
I am saying if I can find something.
This requires a passport. You don't have a passport.
Where do I find the passport?
Are you the one playing or am I?
I do not know anything, girl. I'm just very scared.
Come on, girl.
Everything scares me, girl. I'm not meant for this.
You are meant to take over this world.
Raise your hands.
If you want buffalo chicken wings.
Raise your hands.
If you want
Chicken garlic breadsticks.
I want it.
Guys, how many of you raised your hand?
Which key does this actually?
It doesn't need a key, it needs a plier.
Oh, the key, you already have the key. Go next to that tally.
What tally?
The tally in the beginning.
I don't know what you're talking about.
The lal box, oh, in the beginning that we found the devil. It is locked. Is that what the key is for? Shouldn't that be the
No, the pliers are for every box.
key? Are you sure?
Yes, the keys for the coffin. 7 keys. We need 7 keys to open up the coffin.
Oh my god, you're so smart,
That's
guys.
I'm learning everything from you.
Guys,
Okay,
Preeti is so smart and so beautiful. Like,
guys, look who's
guys,
the pot
look,
calling the kettle black. Guys,
you.
in a positive connotation sense. Guys, I cannot find a building. I am lost in this world.
I'm so lonely, broken.
Mama.
मैं हूँ की
Guys,
होगा,
I do
मैं हूँ
not-
तेरी नसबंदी किसी ने अजीब हरकत कर दी तू भी है ये भाई काशी है कि हरकत हुई फिर
Guys, I do not cuss. I swear I do not cuss.
she's lying guys once she told me that she doesn't love me because my parents are divorced.
I'm not playing. Why was she still following me?
Guys, Preeti passed out and this is Century from the hospital. Please send your love so she can feel better. And we will see you in the next video. I will wake her up so she can say the goodbyes. Wake up, wake up. Goodbye. Okay, guys, subscribe to the aunties to to survive the jal or else you're the jolly fitna. Bye.